Welcome to the channel, the EarthenPot. Today we are going to cook a unique brinjal recipe. So let's see what are the ingredients. Oil, tomatoes, onion, ginger, garlic, sesame seeds, cardamom powder, bay leaves, cumin powder, coriander, tamarind pulp, gram flour, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, turmeric, garam masala, coriander powder, chili powder, brinjal, and water. So let's start off with the brinjal. So I've taken this long brinjal and I have cut the top and I'm going to slit open this brinjal. So this is how. So let's take a bowl and I'm adding some gram flour to it. Then some turmeric, garam masala, coriander powder, chili powder, salt to taste. Let's add some tamarind pulp and then some cardamom powder, mint powder. Now let's add this up. So we'll add up some water to this mixture so that we'll get a gentle paste here. We have made a thick paste of this mixture. So please ensure that there is not a lot of water you're adding to this, because when you're filling the brinjals with this paste, it might not stick into it properly. So make it thick enough where it can go into the brinjal and stick there, be there for some time. So next is we are going to take these brinjals and fill them up with this mixture. So we are going to follow this procedure and fill in all the brinjals. So guys, we have filled this brinjals with the mixture. Now let's go ahead and fry them in the oil. Let's start off with some oil. So now let's add these brinjals to the oil. So we're going to cook this, we're going to slightly fry them in the oil until they are 60% cooked. Let's cook them for about roughly 5 minutes. I'm going to put the lid. So let's see. So now these are almost 50 to 60% cooked, and you can see, you can make it out from the color as well, and the skin of the brinjal. So we're going to take this out, and we're going to take it in a different bowl. So this is how the brinjals have cooked. We have cooked the brinjals. So we'll keep this aside for some time. Now in the same oil, we'll take some cumin seeds, some mustard seeds, I'm going to prepare some ginger garlic paste. Some green chili, curry leaves, let's add up the ginger garlic, freshly prepared ginger garlic paste. Some garlic. So be generous while adding garlic. And let's add up onions. So we'll cook the onions till it turns about golden brown. Now let's add some tomatoes. Now let's add some turmeric, garam masala, coriander powder, red chili powder. Some cumin seeds powder, and some cardamom powder. So now we are going to add some water to this. Now let's add up some coriander. And some bay leaves. And now let's mix the brinjals to this curry. So gently mix it. And if you like this curry to be little thick, so leave the mixture, else you can add up some amount of water to it. We'll add some sesame seeds. Now let's cover this up and let it cook for 2 minutes. So let's see if the curry is cooked. Okay. So now let's add up some salt. We just mix it and let it cook for a minute on low flame. So there is always a different flavor when you're cooking in the earthen pot. So let's go ahead and serve the curry. Let's garnish this with some coriander. So guys, our brinjal curry is ready. Brinjal tomato curry is ready. So let's go ahead and taste it. Whenever you're cooking in the earthen pot, it really makes a difference. It gives the extra flavor, and yes, you can definitely enjoy this recipe. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, the earthen pot. And if you have any other recipes that you would like us to try, do let us know and we'll go ahead and cook it for you and let you know, guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.